guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today I am here for a weekly update and weigh-in, and then we're also going to talk a little bit about the challenge that we are going to be doing for Vlogtober, which, guys, October is this coming Friday. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, it snuck up so quick, so quick. But clearly, you know, I got a little bit of fall stuff going on, so I'm preparing. But anyways, real quick before we get started, a little bit about me and my channel. Again, my name is Jen. This is my channel, Embracing Chaos. On my channel, you're going to find all kinds of content. And all of it is guaranteed to be content that is relevant to a healthier lifestyle journey. When I first started my channel, it was mainly geared towards weight loss. And I never in my wildest dreams imagined that it would encompass so many other areas of my life. When I first started this channel, I was a very self-conscious person. Very self-conscious. I did not wear makeup. If I did, it was a very, very, very rare occasion. I never did my hair, ever. And as far as my clothing went, I was a blue jean and t-shirt kind of gal. And a hoodie with my cowboy boots because that's the only thing I was comfortable in. But for those of you who have been here for a while, you know there's so much more to a wellness journey than just losing weight. It's everything. Since starting to document everything on YouTube and then building relationships with other people on YouTube, I wear the makeup now. I get subscription boxes that I've seen other YouTubers unbox, and I am learning all kinds of makeup techniques, and I'm just having a lot of fun with it. And then as far as my clothing goes, guys, I have 2 clothing boxes that I currently unbox on this channel. I'm sure that you guys have seen some Stitch Fix unboxings, and then I also have a new one coming up this Wednesday night. So make sure you keep your eyes open for that one because it's a really fun one. But I guess my point with that, guys, is while yes, you're going to find WW and weight loss content on here, like cook with me is what I eat in a day, grocery hauls, you're going to see some other stuff too. Stuff that encourages you to step out of your comfort zone and maybe try that new outfit or try that new lipstick and wear it with confidence. Body image, guys, is so important, and it's not based on numbers. Body image is not based on how much you weigh or what size clothing you wear. It's what's right here in your heart. And it took me 40 years, guys, to figure that out. But I have this wellness, healthier lifestyle journey to thank for that. And all of you guys. Because without all of you, who would I have to share my journey with? Who would I have to motivate me when I'm feeling down and to keep me going? It's everything. Everything. You're also going to see subscription box unboxings like I talked about. We do have a lot of beauty subscription boxes. We've got a couple lifestyle, we've got clothing, and just anything else that I'm intrigued by. Because guys, on my channel, I like to have fun. And it's typically chaotic fun. So, you know, hence the name, Embracing Chaos. Anyways, guys, that's what you're going to find on my channel. Hopefully you take that stuff with you after you watch a video with me, guys. I want you to be proud of yourself, know your self-worth, and just go out every day with confidence, knowing that you're being the best person that you can be. That's what I hope you get from my channel. So, real quick, before we get started, guys, that's the content you're going to find. If that sounds like something you would enjoy, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. I would love to have you, and I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. And as far as subscribers go, guys, we are back to being only 2 subscribers away from 800, which means we are only 2 subscribers away from this 800 subscriber giveaway that I have had set up and ready to go for like the past 3 weeks now, maybe 4, maybe longer. I don't know, guys, but it keeps going up and down, which is fine. Chaos Jen can be patient. Sometimes that's the only choice we have. So, like I said, if you're not a member, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you know anybody who would enjoy this content, please feel free to share. And also, before I get started on talking about Vlogtober and our challenge, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, it really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote our videos. And that way also we can grow our subscribers. Okay, so Vlogtober. Are y'all familiar with Vlogtober? I am new to it. This will be my first year attempting to do it. Last year in October, I had just recently started my channel. So when people started talking about Vlogtober, I had no idea what it was. I didn't know about Vlogtober and I didn't know about Vlogmas, but now I do and I'm geared up for it. What I would like to do for Vlogtober is a weekly challenge. And I'm doing this with Suzy over at Suzy's Health Journey. I will link her channel down below, guys. So please make sure you stop and check her out. And this is something that I need your help with. I've gotten tons of fantastic suggestions already, but I wouldn't mind having a few more. And what I'm asking for your opinions on, guys, are what is it that you would like to push yourself to do, or what is it that we can support you in to help you with your weight loss journey? I've gotten some things like blue dots every day, track every day, try a new recipe every day, exercise every day for a certain number of minutes, do something in your home for a certain number of minutes, like decluttering or cleaning, sit down and read for a certain number of minutes every day, stuff like that, guys. What can we do to support you in your weight loss journey? What kind of things would you like us to add to our challenge? And what I'm going to do is pick one thing for each week in October, which means each week we will have a new challenge. So what I'm planning to do is post the information for the first challenge on Thursday evening, which means we will start on Friday, October 1st. If that is confusing, guys, please feel free to leave me questions or comments down below and I will try and explain it in a more efficient way. And also, guys, if you would like to join us for this Vlogtober challenge, please go over to Suzy's Facebook page, Suzy's Health Journey, and ask to join. We will accept you and we're going to be doing some Vlogtober stuff there as well. I will be posting updates on my challenge every day on YouTube and on Facebook. So guys, we would love to have you. Again, I will link Suzy's Facebook page down below. It is called Suzy's Health Journey. Just ask to join and we'll let you in. And guys, you're going to find the best support group for any type of wellness journey ever. All right, that being said, let me get into my numbers for this week and then I will talk about my goals. So, not a happy scale day, guys, but I have learned so much about myself in this past week that, you know, it's a learning game. It is a learning game. So I did go up 0.8 pounds, which means I am at 220.3 as far as my weight goes. And I have lost a total of just under 45 pounds since joining Weight Watchers. Guys, what I learned about myself this week is, I am a big stress eater, which I already knew. And I also have a problem eating at night. And what I did to stop that is I went back to my intermittent fasting. So once 7 o'clock at night hit or 8 o'clock at night, that's my usual time that I start my fast, I cut myself off. And when I do that, it is so easy for me to tell myself no. The first night was really, really hard. There was a lot of anxiety because I wanted to go out to that refrigerator or the kitchen and grab a piece of fruit or a vegetable and eat it, but I resisted. And guys, after probably about 2 days, it was fine. Once I start my fast, I'm good. And I know it's a mind game, but guys, every time I had to get up to do something, I was grabbing food out of the kitchen. And I know that that was a big problem. And I've also noticed that I very much have an all or nothing attitude. So when I catch myself grabbing that extra handful of veggie puffs or something at work, I tend to get in this rut where I'm like, ugh, I already screwed it up. I might as well just do whatever I want for dinner. And that's not a good mindset to be in. So I am working on reminding myself when I do something like that to extend myself some grace and start my weight loss plan with the next bite. That's one of the things that's fantastic about WW and really any weight loss journey, guys. You can start fresh with the next bite. No matter what you did, no matter what you ate, how much you ate, move on. Start fresh with the next bite. And that's all I can do. I am not going to beat myself up. I know where I made my mistakes. And I'm just going to move on from there. So my goals for this week, of course, are to continue with my tracking. I am still not tracking every single meal like I should be. So I am working on that. I love aiming for those blue dots. If you guys follow WW, it's just something fun, and I'm a visual person. So it's something fun for me to get on my app and see those blue dots lined up each day. But I have to stop with the mentality that if I don't have a blue dot for one day, that the rest of my week is screwed. It's not how it goes. It should be, okay, where did you make your mistakes? And what are you going to do different so you get that blue dot tomorrow? Mindset. I am definitely going to be working on that. I am going to continue with my intermittent fasting so I can stick with the no more eating during the night stuff. And hopefully when I check in with you guys next week, I'll be able to share a weight loss with you. So, real quick rundown, guys. Again, I'm going to be focusing on tracking everything that I eat because I need to make that a habit. I do it, but it's not a strong habit. I'm working for those blue dots. I'm going to try and work on getting rid of the mentality that once I screw something up, the rest of the day or the rest of my week is messed up. And I'm going to continue with my intermittent fasting. What are you guys planning on working on this week? Do you have any goals that I can support you with? Leave it down in the comments, guys. I would love to be able to encourage you. And then don't forget, for Vlogtober, guys, leave me those challenge ideas. Anything that you guys think would be fun, leave it down there, and I would love to be able to support you with those. All right, guys, that is my weekly weigh-in. Make sure you check in Thursday night so you can find out what our challenge is for the first week of October, Vlogtober. That was really sad. That was a very, very sad pitch, and I apologize, but it's gonna stay in my videos. So it's a chaos, and we roll with it. We very much roll with it. All right, guys, again, if you wouldn't mind doing the whole thumbs up, subscribe thing, I would totally appreciate it. I'm looking forward to seeing you on Thursday so we can get this Vlogtober challenge started, guys. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.